So here we go, guys. It's the next day, and as part of this Summer of EyeCandy collaboration, where you get all 20 of those colours, the 4 colour shifts, the 3 ghost pigments, the 13 other colours, 20 colours in total, as this one-off special offer. 5 gram bags, which you can pre-order now over at CCUKresin.com. We're going to see what these have turned out like that we made on the live, and I'm excited. So the first one is Glimmer Ghost Violet. So this is, oh, beautiful. And you can just see the different effects from where we burnished and where we filled it. So you get more of a glimmer violet effect where we burnished it, but in the rest of it, it's still pretty stunning. I mean, look at this. Hello. So that's one of the ghosts there. Next one we've got is the Galactic Blue, which is a different type of ghost. And that's why I included it. I wanted a galactic in there, I wanted a glimmer, and I wanted a normal ghost. And again, really, really cool. And you can see where we've burnished it. You almost get more depth of the colour, if you can see. But again, cool little piece. And again, it looks so cool just on its own as well, guys. Just with that little glimmer. But when you burnish it, you get a better, well, more defined look. Then we've got the Crimson. Ooh, ooh. For all of you pink lovers out there. Here we go. And these are going to make cool key rings, guys. And again, it's a similar effect. So if you burnish it, you get almost colour shifting properties on this Crimson. It's almost pinky blue, look. Again, beautiful colour. Absolutely gorgeous. So let me know what you're thinking. Are you liking these? Next, we've got the Baku Red, which again, when I said it was a red, I wasn't lying, guys. Look at this. Beautiful red. Gorgeous. And it is red. So that's the Baku Red. Then we've got the one which I'm really excited to show you, which is the Imperial Gold. Imperial! Look at that for a gold. Absolutely stunning. So there's the Imperial Gold. And then next we've got the Haiku, which is one of those colour shifts. And don't forget, you're getting 4 colour shifts in this kit. 4, guys. I've got to keep the stickers where they are so I remember which one's which. So this is that beautiful Haiku. And it's almost got colour shifting from reds to blues to purples in there. You can just see the blue really stands out where we burnished on the paw pads. But I think that is gorgeous as a colour. So there's that. And it's just showing you the different effects you can get through burnishing, as well as just using them like normal resin and mixing it in the resin. And I think that's the beauty of these powders. They work beautifully in both. Now this is the Shinto Shrine, which again is a colour shift. And look, where we burnished it, you really get that colour shift, which is almost a pink, look. And that's why I included this one, because I know there's some pink lovers out there. It's almost like reds to pink. Beautiful piece. And again, you just do get that colour shift. It's gorgeous. It's so hard to get on camera though. Next is the Izomi Blue. Out it pops. And this is the beauty as well. Do you know if you're using a mould, you don't need to fill it, guys. These are perfect now for key rings. Not too heavy. So this Izomi Blue, you'll see why I included it. Are you ready? So it's gorgeous that way. Look at that. Just that depth of colour is absolutely stunning. And again, when you burnish, you get a more consistent colour. But I love that with the 2 different colours. Well, the same colour, but you know what I mean. One of them we poured, the other we burnished. Next, we've got Kiji. I was trying to do this as a short, but it just ain't going to work. Sorry. There's too many to go through. So the Kiji as well was gorgeous. Look at this. Beautiful colour. And then we've got that more defined effect where we burnished it, and then we've got the less defined effect where we've gone around the mould. But gorgeous colour. I think you'll agree. Then we've got the Iomi Dory, which, oh, I am so in love with this colour. Could be one of my favourites. You ready? Look at that. Just that depth of blues, almost a hint of purple in there as well. Loving that. That's the Iomi Dory. And all of these colours, guys, you're going to get in the one kit. Next, we've got the Purple Garden, which I know a few of you are excited about. And look at this for a purple, guys. Really rich, deep purple. Beautiful. And I can't wait to see what we're all going to make with these colours. They are stunning. Absolutely stunning. Next is one of the greens, the Cabosu. And again, I'm not a massive green fan. I know some of you are, and that's why I've included a couple of greens in this kit as well. And again, look at that for a green. Absolutely stunning. You know? And it just, so, if you're like me, so many ideas go through my head when I look at colours like this and think about, do I just use one or two? Do I use them all? You know, it's one of those things that when you see the colours, and even the blacks from EyeCandy are just stunning. This is that Ninja Black. Ninja! Beautiful, deep, rich depth of black on that. Loving it. Beautiful. Now we've got the Okinawa Blue, which again, gorgeous, gorgeous colour from EyeCandy. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Then we've got, what was this one? Emerald Green, which again is a little bit darker than the Cabosu, and that's why I included it in. Very different. This is the Emerald Green. If you've got the look of the Irish, that's the colour you want. But I'm going to start this way around. So we've got the Ghost Gold. And again, this mould, if I'm being honest, they make great key rings, but it's not the only reason I used it. It's the only mould I had where I had 20. So that's why I picked this one out. And look at this for the Ghost Gold. And on this one, you can just see the difference where I didn't burnish that pad. You can see the difference it makes. You get a more consistent colour when you burnish these ghosts. But if you don't burnish it, look at in between or the back. It's still beautiful and more sort of mixed. So that's the difference you get. Gorgeous. So that's the Ghost Gold. Then we've got the Shinto White, which again, it's just a standard mica, but it looks like an iridescent to me. You know, it's beautiful. Look at this. So that's that Shinto White. It's almost like an iridescent white to me. And there's so much you can do with those. Next, we've got again, another one of my favourites that I had to include, which is that Candy Red. And I mean, wait for this. Hello. Look at that. So that's where we burnished it. But look at where it's just on its own. It's almost mesmerising. It's that beautiful Candy Red, and that's in there as well. Absolutely stunning. Then the last two, guys. So we've got the Blue Blood, which again I've been using an awful lot recently because I'm in love with it. It is a beautiful colour and definitely one of my favourites. Look at that. So the burnished, you've got the more consistent colour, but I like it when you don't burnish it. Look at that in between. Gorgeous, gorgeous depth of beautiful blue. And then the final one, another one of my favourites, was the Rainbow Orange. And what I'm going to do with all of these colours, I'm going to start saving these. And I'm going to be making a big piece when I've got all of the colours. With all of these in. So this is that beautiful Rainbow Orange. And you'll have to excuse the little air bubbles. I think it's because the resin was setting up by the time we got to this one. But look at this. Stunning, stunning colour. So that is it, guys. That is all of your colours that you're going to get. I wanted to make sure there was a nice mix. I wanted to make sure you got some colour shifts in there, as well as some ghosts, as well as a gold, as well as a white, as well as a black, because we all love those normal colours, as well as some blues, greens, pinks, reds, orange. You've got a lovely mix. I hope you'll agree. So let's just zoom in on some of these, give you a last look. So we've got the Glimmer Ghost Violet, we've got the Galactic Ghost Blue, we've got the Crimson, we've got the Baku Red, we've got the Imperial Gold, then we've got the Haiku, then we've got the Shinto Shrine, then we've got the Izumi Blue, then we've got the Kiji, then we've got the Ayamidori, then we've got the Purple Garden, then we've got the Kabosu, then we've got the Ninja Black, then we've got the Okinawa Blue, then we've got the Emerald Green, then we've got the Rainbow Orange, then we've got the Blue Blood, then we've got the Candy Red, then we've got the Shiro White, and we've got that Ghost Gold. So I think you'll agree. There's a good assortment of colours there just to get us introduced to EyeCandy, but don't forget, if you want one of these are going to be limited at this price to 100 in the UK and 100 in the US. So if you want one and you're based in the UK or Europe and you want to go for shipping from the UK rather than the US, then go to CCUKresin.com and pre-order. And they should be here within the next 2 to 3 weeks, and then we'll get them out to you. If you're in the US, don't panic. You won't see this yet on EyeCandy's website, but they will go live at the same time so that you can order them at the same time and get that shipping in the States. And the idea here is we're going to have a whole summer, so 2 or 3 months, of a playlist called the Summer of EyeCandy, where as long as you're using one of these colours, or all of them, if you're like me, in your piece, then it'll be added to that playlist. So hopefully it'll help you grow a little bit on YouTube as well. But it's just going to be so fun to see what we all do with these beautiful, beautiful colours. And what we create. Is it going to be lots of frogs with the greens? Is it going to be more coasters? Is it going to be beautiful blooms? You know, look at these colours together. There's so many different options. I'm so excited to see what we all create. So don't forget, don't be disappointed if you're in the UK. Get over to CCUKresin.com. Get your order in. And if you're in the States, you'll have to wait for my announcement over the next 2 weeks when I get the thumbs up from Jeff that all 200 are ready to go. And you'll be able to order there using my discount code CCUK. Simple as that. So have a great day. Hope you like these. I'm in love with them. You know, just those different colours glimmering away. I can't wait to do more. So I'll see you all later. Have a great one. And don't forget, pre-order now.